Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the stabilizer feature so you can smooth strokes immediately. Go to Settings, then configure Krita and open the tablet or canvas input section. Turn on the stabilizer option and pick the default stabilizer type. This exposes controls on the brush editor. Once done, make sure your graphics tablet drivers are running and restart Krita if you do not see the option. You want stable input before adjusting intensity because that prevents overcompensation later when you tune parameters. Now you fine-tune how the stabilizer behaves per brush so strokes look natural. Open the brush editor, find the stabilizer or smoothing section, and adjust distance, delay, and smoothing values while watching live strokes. Begin with modest settings, distance around 10 to 30 and delay under 30 to avoid a laggy feel, then increase gradually for very shaky hands. Once adjusted, test on a clean layer using long continuous lines and short hatch marks to ensure both smooth curves and responsive detail. You finish by saving presets and validating workflow so the stabilizer helps, not hinders. Save your tuned brush as a preset and organize presets for inks, sketching, and painting. Once done, decide whether to use the global stabilizer or rely on per brush settings based on performance. If you encounter input lag or stuttering, reduce distance and delay, update your tablet driver, or temporarily disable canvas smoothing. That troubleshooting step usually fixes responsiveness without losing stroke quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.